Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 RX. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, first aid kit, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.